Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a mini notepad and a simple HTML editor like Notepad. So here I will enter the name and here hello, this is a mini notepad. So to save here I need to click here, it will get saved. I need to open again, I need to click here, open, and this will show. To close it I need to click here. Now the simple HTML editor this. So let me write something of the HTML. HTML, now here hello world. So this is a sample. So I am writing HTML file. I can save it by clicking here, success, okay. Now I can again open it from here and to go to the folder, this, and open this. Now I click on this run, it will show here.